Hey guys, I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to show you how to make America's #1 burger, the ShackBurger from Shack Shack. And I'm also going to show you how to make their signature ShackSauce. So take out a pen and notepad and start taking some notes, because pretty soon you'll be making these at home too. The ShackBurger is a single or double cheeseburger, topped with lettuce and tomato, and of course, Shack Shack sauce. And this is all placed nicely between a Martin's potato roll. And they say their beef is freshly ground to give it that amazing flavor, so that's what I'm going to do. When it comes to the beef, I guess you can use whatever beef you like, but because I'm here in Tokyo, I'm going to use some Japanese Wagyu. I'm using a combo of momo and butter, that's thigh meat I guess, and brisket, hence the difference in colour and fat content. The thigh meat is super marbled, and the brisket is less marbled but super meaty. So with a bit of luck, I'll get the perfect meat to fat ratio, 80-20. Now the good thing about using Wagyu is the quality of the fat. It is just full of flavour. Okay, now let's move on and start making that signature Shack sauce. For this you'll need some mayo and some paprika. You'll also be needing some garlic powder, some finely chopped dill pickles, and don't forget yellow mustard and ketchup to give it that perfect balance. And finally, to give it some bite, a dash of cayenne pepper. And that's all you need. So now it's time to give this a good mix. And there it is, Shack Shack's signature Shack sauce. Man, is that a tongue twister. But anywho, tongue twister or not, this stuff tastes great. Okay guys, now the sauce is prepped, let's move on to cooking our burger. Now when it comes to the buns, Shack Shack only use Martin's potato rolls. So if you have access to those, please use them. If not, find something similar. Now according to the ritual at Shack Shack, you've got to heat up your buns ahead of time so they're ready the second your burgers are done. And toasting the bun in unsalted butter is a secret to its crispiness. When the skillet is nice and hot, I'm going to add my pack of ground Wagyu beef. Next I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, then I'm going to give it a good smash. When the edges become brown and crispy, and the pools of juice on the surface start to bubble, then it's time to flip the burger. Now because I'm using high-fat Wagyu, my burger might be a little bit more fragile than usual, but I'm not going to worry because the cheese will hold it all together. And that said, it's time to add one slice of American cheese. I'm going to cover the pan and turn off the heat, and in a few seconds, voila, perfectly melted cheese. Now the next step is to place a smashed burger patty on top of the heel, aka the bottom bun. Okay guys, now that looks great and I'm loving those colors. So now it's time to finish off building our ShackBurger. Okay, I've laid out all of the ingredients, so now it's time to build this baby. This is the Shack sauce that I made earlier, and I'm going to add a big dollop of this to the crown, aka the top bun. Next it's time for the lettuce, and make sure that the frilly side is showing. Now I'm going to add 2 slices of tomato to the top of the cheeseburger. Then finally, I'm going to invert the crown and place it on top of the burger. And there you go guys, how easy was that? A ShackBurger made in the comfort of my own home. So guys, what do you think? I think for a copycat burger made at home, this looks pretty darn good. What say you? Do you think it makes the cut? Do you think I've got Shake Shack on the ropes and they're shaking in their boots? Well, I hope so, and time will tell. Okay guys, in all seriousness, this is a very handsome burger. The colors are popping, and trust me, this thing smells fantastic. And now, I want to know what it tastes like. And the verdict is, this is one heck of a burger. In fact, I'll even go as far to say this is Shake Shack-tastic. Bento Buster, you have done it again. One thing you really notice is the flavor of the freshly ground meat. It really does stand out. When it comes to making a shack burger, the quality of the meat is really important. So remember, don't skimp on the quality, and fresh is best. Oh, and that Shake Shack sauce is really on point. It's creamy, it's tangy. Yep, I think I nailed it. This sauce is a perfect match for this burger. And finally, I'm really impressed with my choice of bun. Now, it's not a Martin's potato roll, but it is a very good substitute. Now, that was an excellent burger. So now it's your turn to give it a shot. And remember, quality counts. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm the Bento Buster, and I'll see you next time. Good luck with your burger making. And as we say in New Zealand, kia kaha. Stay strong.